Only girls can hear this sound. That's right. If you're a girl, you'll be able to hear it. But if you're a boy, you'll need exceptional hearing ability to catch this sound. I'm about to play a mysterious sound that only girls can hear, although very few boys might catch it too. Let's see if you can hear it or not. Are you ready? But before that, I bet you're not fast enough to like the video and subscribe before I play the sound. 3, 2, 1. Turn your device's volume to 100%. Did you hear it? Okay, let me play it again, but this time with double the volume. Warning. Did you hear it now? Let me know in the comments.